Jessie! Welcome back to my vlog. Today, I will put color on my hair. Because before, I tried to do highlight using this color. But now, I decided to change and put the whole color in my hair. See? This is the first time I will put this color. So let's see what will come out. There is free this one. Actually, I use half of that, so it's total 2 in one box. Now I'm going to apply. Now I put this one, see, and I'm going to put the oxidant. The oxidant that is in the box is not enough, so I have extra. I bought this one. And this is the one. So now it's ready. I'm going to apply. Actually, I'm in the bathroom. You can see it my background. It's actually difficult to put the color in your hair alone, but I get used to it because I'm doing this for a long time because I don't want to go to salon, because it happened before that when I put or did the color on my hair, I did the highlights. So I have a problem. It's damaged because the person who did the color in my hair, sorry to say, but she's not professional. Anyway, I did not do it here in this country, which is Dubai. It's different country. So, I expect they are doing good, but no, it's not. So, now I start applying. See? Little by little. So, after this, maybe, you know, the character in X-Men, Rogue, I think, if I remember that, if I'm not mistaken. But it's okay. I want to try different color. So as you can see, I put this one because it's red. Actually, it's not totally red, but it's nice. Let me check. Correction, sorry. It's chestnut red. See? I started to put first down because actually my hair is dark, and if I put it up first, it's become lighter fast. So I started first to apply in the down portion. Okay, so I finished apply in this part. So I will go to the other side. I did not show you all in the video. I did not show you. I applied the whole part of. I finished. to this part. I did not show you, or meaning I did not show you how I've finished this side, because it takes time actually for me to do it. And now I will start on the other side. So I'm half of that. I'm half of this part. Some other people actually very expert how to put this color, but for me, this is the way I put the color on my hair. It's equal. I hope the color will be, same. I hope there is a part that color will show, because actually it's difficult. So as you can see, in my previous video, my hair is long, but now I make it short. Because as I said before, the color or the highlight that I did in the other country, I will not mention which country is that, but it actually damaged my hair. So I informed my partner to cut it. So I did not do the cutting, or meaning the haircut in salon. So I let her do it for myself. So after this, I'll wait for at least 45 minutes or 40 minutes. Then I'll wash. Then I'll show you again later the result. Let us wait for a few minutes. Doesn't look like a chestnut red, but when you go outside, it's showing.